People worry that setting up an AI receptionist will be a big project. Honestly, it isn't. Here's the whole thing, start to finish. Step 1. Teach Lyla your business. Point it at your website and it writes its own first draft. Your services, your hours, everything. Read it over, tweak anything, and you're done. Step 2. Make it yours. Set the greeting, your name and your colours, and see exactly what your customers will, right there in the live preview. Step 3. Choose what it captures. Pick the details Lyla collects from every enquiry and add any questions of your own. And before you go live, take it for a spin. Ask it anything, the same things your customers will, and see exactly how it answers, using everything you just taught it. Step 4. Put it live. Copy one line of code onto your site or switch on your phone number. That's the entire install. And step 5. Watch the enquiries roll in. Every caller Lyla looks after lands right here with their details, ready for you. That's it. Minutes, not weeks, and you're live. This is Lyla, your always-on front desk. Get started free at meetlyla.com.